Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I am currently short in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have traded top down. First, we'll go over to yesterday's trade that led into today's trade, starting here on the 1 hour chart. So if you look at this area here, I took an entry, and this is that would be the 9 a.m. candle. So this is during yesterday's Asian session. The high of the Asian session is up here, and the low of the Asian session is down here, if I can speak today. And you can see price action delivered to the buy side, then price action retraced here, where I was able to gain an entry inside the fair value gap, this blue area that's located right here. Then taking that entry, you can see price delivered here to the buy side over the course of the rest of the trading day and into the new trading day, which is the New York midnight, which is this orange line here. Basically, the way that I trade is based on New York time when the trading day starts and trading day ends. So this traded in from yesterday into today. So this was the Asian session with the entry, and then I took an exit here during the London session. This exit could have been better. I wasn't certain on when I wanted to get out, but based on the price action, I wanted to take an exit as it looked like price was not ready to deliver to the sell side fully. With that, price did deliver to the sell side. Buy side, as I was anticipating, it may come back up. It did not sweep out any sell side liquidity when it did this, but it did deliver to the sell side with some speed here. This whole hour really sold off through the fair value gap and into this order block here. And this was done during the New York AM session. So this was after the New York Open. Price made this delivery, and then you can see price began to redeliver to the buy side here. And you can see, or maybe you can't see, but there is a fair value gap here, a bearish fair value gap, and a bearish order block right here. So I'm looking for retracement into the fair value gap order block area, and then I want to look to the 5 minute to check for fair value gaps and order blocks in that way. So as price pulled back here, we'll come over here to the 5 minute chart and take a more detailed look at my entry here. So this took quite a few entries to get into fully. I'll show you my history, and you can see the stop outs that I made in this area. So this is my target time frame where I want to target trades for this afternoon session. So I got stopped out a few times in here. The main issue that I can say was trading off of the 1 minute chart. Sometimes the 1 minute chart can give you some really incredible entries, but likely more often than not, you're going to get stopped out a time or two before that happens. What I'm trying to do now is incorporate the 5 minute just to have a look inside of the price action of the 1 hour. So this right here, this price action is contained in this area here. And what I saw was during my New York AM target range here, there was a fair value gap here, this fair value gap. So price pulled back into this gap also. Just highlight this here. So this area here, OB, this area here, FVG, so fair value gap, order block. So the order block is above here, bearish order block, bearish fair value gap. You can see price action form the order block, trade lower here, and then it created this area here where there's a market structure shift here to the sell side. So this is my trigger for entry, and ideally waiting for a price to retrace back into this area for a limit order entry and a potential trade delivery to the sell side with continuation here. So I was able to gain an entry inside of my trade window here up into the order block and fair value gap area. You can see price created a failed swing pattern or mitigation block pattern here, where you have a high and then a low and then a lower high and then a lower low here. And now you can see price delivered to the sell side, and now is coming back to retest any areas that it did not test on the way up, on the way down. So in this instance, this would be a technical area here. This swing low here would be a technical area. This area here, this swing low here, would be also be another technical area. This could be a technical area as well, anywhere where there are swing lows. And then here, there will be a swing low here. So this is also an area where price can pull back to. So price again pulling back, and we'll see what price does. But if all goes well, price will respect this area of mitigation here and continue to deliver to the sell side. For stop loss, my stop loss, or let's go over my first entry. First entry 106.95.7, stop loss 106.59.2, target 104.582. And I'll zoom in on the target, but it is simply the swing low of the current price action. So if you see here, take profit is just the swing low of the current 60-minute range here. And then very similar entry and same stop loss for my second position here. So entry 106.56.1, stop loss 106.592 as before, target a bit deeper 103.438. I'll zoom in on this target. So this target is yesterday's New York PM low. So with this, what do we have here? So here, with this candle here, this large candle that delivered to the sell side, this large candle closed below this level here. This level here, and there's a level down here, is the range for the New York PM session. With this candle closing inside of the range of the New York PM session, I would anticipate price to pull back and then redeliver to the sell side and sweep out the sell side liquidity resting below that range. There's also a liquidity level, or this price action, there's no swing down here. So this price action delivers all the way, I think the nearest swing level is down here, which would be yesterday's low. So I just want to target what I have here. And then here, this is the low of the Asian session from yesterday. So if this gets closed below, then there's the potential for price to deliver lower down into this area, or at least for me, would give me that indication. It may now or it may not. But this would trigger that trade idea for me, and I would look for something during the Asian session to close below this level, and then look for pullback for a potential entry or re-entry, since I would still already be in the longer position targeting the New York PM low from yesterday. As I mentioned, trading history for today, you can see a mountain of small losses here. $1.75, $2, $1.75, $1 between these two, $1.50 between these three. So you can see a handful of trades. This is the trade from the London session that I exited. Could have held on to it a little better, but also could have held it worse. So I'll take a push on that position. Currently collecting some USDT with the current position after retesting, now redelivering to the sell side again, and the two positions that I have are coming in at 3-to-1 and 5-to-1 reward to risk ratio. So I would be able to recover my losses fairly easily. So this would be sound for risk management purposes. So we'll see how price action plays out from here on, as price is now beginning to redeliver to the sell side and approaches TP1, which is the sell side liquidity here, and then we're looking at TP2, the sell side liquidity resting below yesterday's PM session. If you'd like to know more, visit us at ontilttrading.com.